How to buy Bugs Bunny token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply just go below, find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. And don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 7 hours ago and increased by 500% in the last 24 hours. This token trending #1 in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, click here to copy the token address and open your funds wallet. For that, I will just look into my wallet first, as you can see. So after that, click here on swap. Make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address, as you can see. So this is our token, click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy. And here we'll be able to see how much you receive, as you can see. After that, select provider, for example, Jupiter. From here, as you can see, or Radium, sorry, OKX or Radium via Jupiter. And as you can see, after that, you can now select the change to the provider. If you want to select the Jupiter, you can select it and click on apply. Now, as you can see, after that, you can now make sure to read all the information and click on swap, and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and try to switch the slip patch from here, as you can see, or custom it, because the most of issues come from the slip patch, and after that you can go and buy this token without any issues. So this is how to buy Bugs Bunny token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.